I'm watching TV,
Lynn said. Lynn said that she was watching TV. Lynn said she was watching TV.
I usually rent a DVD at the weekend.
She said. She said that she usually rented a DVD at the weekend.
They're playing an act from the play Cats.
My friend told me. My friend told me that they were playing an act from the play Cats.
The students have given an amazing performance.
The teacher told the audience. The teacher told the audience that the students had given an amazing performance.
These are the actors and actress who starred in the Harry Potter films.
She said. She said those were the actors and actress who starred in the Harry Potter films. She said that those were the actors and actress who had starred in the Harry Potter films.
The cameraman was shooting the film all morning.
The director said. The director said that the cameraman was shooting the film all morning. The director said that the cameraman had been shooting the film all morning. Sean Connery had played the lead role in the James Bond films before Daniel Craig.
She told me. She told me that Sean Connery had played the lead role in the James Bond films before Daniel Craig.
You can pay for the tickets by credit card.
The woman said. The woman said that we could pay for the tickets by credit card.
George Lucas is one of the most successful producers, writers and directors in Hollywood.
Say people in the film industry. People in the film industry say that George Lucas is one of the most successful producers, writers and directors in Hollywood.
We want to buy 2 tickets for the new James Bond film.
Mary said. Mary said that they wanted to buy 2 tickets for the new James Bond film.
Do you like the film we are watching? I asked Nancy. I asked Nancy if she liked the film we were watching.
Well, what do you think about our project? I asked Ken.
Oh, it looks very difficult,
Said Ken. I asked Ken what he thought about our project. Ken said that it looked very difficult.
Can I borrow more books?
He asked the librarian. He asked the librarian if he could borrow more books. He asked the librarian whether he could borrow more books.
What time does the film start?
She asked. She asked what time the film started. Click on this icon to access the internet.
The teacher told him. The teacher told him to click on that icon to access the internet.
Don't misbehave in class, Tommy.
The teacher told Tommy. The teacher told Tommy not to misbehave in class.
I always use public transport to help reduce air pollution,
said Janet. Janet said that she always used public transport to help reduce air pollution. Your conservation project was very successful, Donna,
John said to me. John said to me that my conservation project had been very successful.
It is a very good site for your project on environmental problems,
the teacher told Kevin. The teacher told Kevin that it was a very good site for his project on environmental problems.